When a human being is born, he does not know any language. The child, he initially learns the mother tongue so that he can converse with the family members. Later on, he may learn the language of the society so that he could communicate with the people around him. He may learn the language in which he is educated. Almost all the human beings, they at least know 2 or 3 different languages. Some know 3 to 5 languages. Some are linguists. But most of the human beings, almost all, they at least know 2 to 3 different languages. Isn't it a requirement that we should know the language in which our Creator Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has revealed His last and final message, the glorious Quran? Isn't it a must that we Muslims should learn Arabic as a language to understand the Quran?